So we'll chuck those in now, get these Malters. That's a new one. What's up, legends? So today we are working on this VE Ute. Well, I should say tonight. It's currently like 5:30. Already been working 12 hours, but the show goes on. So I've got this VE Ute here. He's bought it and he needs to get a roadworthy. So we're going to be raising the rear up and putting some stock mufflers on it, and then just giving it a check over and see if it needs anything else for roadworthy. It's got a code for like an O2 sensor, so it might be a faulty one or whatever. So I'm gonna suss that out for him. He said that he found that code on his scan tool. I was like, oh, what scan tool you got? He's like, oh, I just got one from Bunnings. I was like, what? You can get scan tools from Bunnings? Man, that's crazy. I don't buy any tools from Bunnings. I buy a lot of stuff from Bunnings. Because people that follow me on here are from Bunnings. So hello. But I don't buy tools from Bunnings. I mean, I might buy like a screwdriver or some neutral bits and stuff like that. But if I need actual tools, I go to Total Tools. And I wouldn't buy even a scan tool from Total Tools. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Let's get stuck into this Ute. So I'm having a look underneath the car, and yeah, everything looks pretty good. There's a few bushes that are like borderline whether they need to be done or not, so I figure we'll just send it in for roadworthy and yeah, see what happens. I am gonna roll his guard. Well, his rear guard's already rolled, but there's a spot on the back that hasn't been rolled and needs to be. So I'm gonna do that for him because it's starting to peel out the guard. I'll show you what I'm talking about, but yeah, it can be dangerous if you leave it. So I'll do that for him. We'll raise it back up and put these stock mufflers on, and then I'll check out this code and see what's going on with that. We'll run it on the scan tool and see what the O2 sensors are reading, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So it's missing the rear gaskets on the exhaust on the mufflers. So luckily enough, I had a couple spares, which I seem to always have a couple spares, but I'm always out of my other spares. So I'm not sure how I always have spares, seeing as I'm always using my spares. But anyway, luckily I had some. So we'll chuck those in now. Get these Malters. That's a new one. Get these mufflers bolted back up, and then we can move on to. We've done the springs. Just got to swap the mufflers over, and then I've got to roll those rear guards to get them so that they're not going to damage his old tyres. So someone's rolled the guards. They've done a decent job. But yeah, they haven't done the front part, which is kind of the most crucial in a ute and a wagon, because they grab there. So anyway, let's get back to it. All right, legends. So yeah, we're done on this VE Ute. Now, yeah, I've done the exhaust, I've done the suspension, I've fixed up the guards, I've had a look at this O2 sensor code, and I've ended up replacing the rear O2s because they were faulty, they weren't reading. And yeah, now I've chucked it on the scan tool and gone through the graphs, and it seems to be reading, so I'm happy with that. I'd probably replace it with brand new ones. I just had some second-hand ones laying around, but at least that'll get him going for now. Yeah, if you guys need something like this done to your car, hit me up. Appreciate it. So, I'll see you on the next one.